When it comes to cabinetry, we are proud to say Florida has a home team. We're Innovation Cabinetry, a Tampa-based full-line cabinet provider with millions in inventory and the manufacturing strength to deliver indoor, outdoor, and multifamily cabinetry nationwide. Our 4 brands make Innovation Cabinetry a true one-stop shop, designed to help you grow your business in many ways. Elite Craft and Urban deliver semi-custom frameless indoor cabinetry in a range of on-trend colors and styles. Profile brings made in the USA craftsmanship to production builders and multifamily developments. And Endura, our flagship outdoor line, stands unmatched for strength, style, and weatherproof performance. Our industry-leading lead times are no accident. They're the result of smart investment, advanced automation, and millions of dollars in on-hand inventory. That means you get consistent quality, dependable service, and faster turnarounds every time. We make doing business easy. With 24/7 ordering through our updated dealer portal, you can quote, order, and download marketing materials anytime, anywhere. Need a helping hand? Our design support team brings your vision to life. While our assembly and cut-down services make installation simple and efficient. For our Florida partners, our Diamond and Platinum delivery means fast, dependable service, direct from our Tampa facility. Beyond the Sunshine State, our LTL National Delivery Network keeps projects moving coast to coast. Here at home, we proudly manufacture Endura outdoor cabinetry and Profile multifamily cabinetry, right here in Tampa, Florida. That means consistent quality, shorter lead times, and a team that's always within reach. From luxury kitchens to multifamily developments, we're the partner who's got your back, stocked, ready, and dependable. Because when you work with Innovation Cabinetry, you're working with Florida's home team. Local service, national strength.
Working with Innovation has been a great experience from start to finish. We're so happy with the team and the service they provide.
As a new dealer, I'm excited and so impressed with Innovation Cabinetry out of the gate. Customer service is awesome. They have all been very helpful, patient, and great to work with. The showroom is fantastic, the product's amazing, and pricing is affordable too.
We recently started working with Innovation Cabinetry for our outdoor and indoor kitchen products in Southwest Florida. The cabinetry is well constructed and orders are fulfilled in a timely fashion. I will recommend their products to all of my clients.
Amazing product, fast production, constant communication, perfect fit. You've earned my business. I will be referring Innovation to all my contractor peers.
Amazing selection of products for the business-to-business space, including some of the most innovative outdoor cabinets I've seen.
It was a clean and beautiful showroom. Everyone was professional and I would recommend them to anyone I know.
We buy all outdoor kitchen cabinetry from Innovation Cabinetry. Their Endura line is fantastic, and when you have exceptional employees in the warehouse, it makes for a great communication with this vendor.
I highly recommend these well-built wood cabinets.
Everyone from the sales department to the warehouse have gone above and beyond to ensure each project goes smoothly.
Love their new facility, easy access and plenty of room to maneuver. Got unloaded immediately and was able to get back on the road within an hour. Great product lines and amazing service.
Quality of the cabinets are very good. They have cabinets ready for me to pick up in just a few days.
This is a great place to get cabinets if you're doing a kitchen, bathroom, or any cabinetry needs.
I couldn't be happier with my experience with Innovation Cabinetry. My sales account manager has been the standout part of our experience. He stays on top of every detail, communicates clearly, and brings real expertise that makes the whole process smoother from planning through delivery. The cabinets look great, feel solid, and are well made. The workflow from ordering to fulfillment has been reliable and on schedule. I will absolutely keep using Innovation Cabinetry, and I will confidently recommend them.
I highly recommend this place and their quality.
Great operation.
We love working with our sales rep and are extremely pleased with Innovation Cabinetry's product line. Our sales rep ensures we have every cabinet component needed for our designs, so deliveries are always smooth and hassle-free. We look forward to many more successful projects with Innovation Cabinetry.
We've had a great experience working with Innovation Cabinetry. Their local, in-stock cabinets making scheduling easy, the quality and durability have been solid, and we've had 0 customer callbacks related to their cabinets. We bought reliable product and a dependable partner.